Hey, where we going, guys?
Grid Life!
Woo! What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Me and Tara's heading up to Grid Life in Austin, Texas right now. Would tell you guys to meet us there, but this video probably won't be published till tomorrow. But today, February 15th, Grid Life will be at the Circuit of Americas in Austin, Texas, and that's where we're heading. We're in the M3, the E92. We're gonna drive up there feeling so luxurious. Seats all cushioned up, man. Buttocks are all massaged, you know, in the V8 power. Oh, the gate almost closed on me. That's right, but right now, me and them, we're gonna go up to this burger joint. Today is gonna be a vlog, guys. No car miles, no none of that. You guys keep wanting me to spend my money. Today, we ain't spending no money, boys. We ain't. I've never took the M3 out of town.
Ooh,
this is
that
that C7.
That Corvette.
Man, I'll dust him.
No.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I'm just kidding. You know? All right, guys. Now we're heading up to Austin, Texas. Currently, I stay in San Antonio, which is an hour south of Austin, Texas. So, first road trip, or you'd say in the M3, we're gonna go and take it for an hour drive straight north to Austin, Texas. I don't know, I don't think I'm putting my car, nah, it's like $700 to drive on a track. And I could do that on Forza, you know? I'm good. I'm good to go, baby.
No, but if you want to.
Yeah, I could. I think it's like $700 though.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna ask.
We're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out. And hey, I think Tyvin told me they're giving free rides for the drift event. Oh yeah. So I'm about to hang out. We're hanging out with some drift kings. Han's gonna be there.
That's gonna be
Han's
fun.
gonna be there. My guy Han. We're gonna catch him in the RX-7.
Is he really?
No.
Oh.
Hey, y'all gotta say what's up to the vlog, man. Say what's going on, man. This for the YouTube, man. Say what's up. What's going on? Everybody say what's going on right now, boys. We out here again. I got my buddy Bad News, my buddy David, my buddy Jacob from Wichita, Kansas, guys. Sometimes I get lonely and I want to see them sexy faces, so I call them. That's what I do. Oh my, look at the TSX, man. Wide body kit flared on the TEs. Ooh, big wing gain on the chassis mount wing. Ah. The parking lot is where the show's at.
All right.
You see the Varus bumper on the Subaru? APR performance wing. We made it, y'all. Yes, it's lit. I can't get it out. Man, look at the FD, boy. Right hand drive. Woo! Damn, son.
Get your car right here. My dream car.
Guys, we have just made it to Grid Life, or whatever it's called. It's at Circuit of America here in Austin, Texas. We're walking up right now. It's a track event. There's fucking Supras, GTRs, S14s, FDs, anything y'all can ever imagine is up here right now. Look at this Supra coming up right here. That Supra though, boy. That shit fuck. Grid Life, boys. Shuby gang, boys. Nikon gang, boys.
Yes,
oh, sorry.
Jimmy, he's over there.
So apparently there's a shuttle bus that's gonna take us into the pit,
over there.
and then we'll actually get to see the drifting event, which is crazy. Crazy. This is so lit, guys. Lit. Oh man, I was laughing too hard, man. I pulled a muscle. That boy Ben, y'all.
There's a ride and a t-shirt.
And a t-shirt. Win-win. No problem. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, brother. Me and Tara just got off the drift event. Me and her went for our first ride in the 350Z by Ben. Shout out to Ben. How'd you like it? Was it fun?
Yeah, the whole time I was like, yeah.
That GTR right there, boys, fully gutted. It's caged. It's got an external, man, it's got things that I don't even know about. That thing is mean. Full carbon fiber rear fenders, rear bumper, big old wing. Got the Teggy. The R34 GTR. Oh, that's fire. Oh my God, I'm so glad I got that on camera. Oh my God. That 335. We're just chilling, hanging out, guys, watching these guys hit laps. Beautiful Subarus, boosted Miatas. They got everything out here. STI, the EJ25 motor. Ooh, they got the Spoon TSX right here. Tomei exhaust, roll cage. Ooh, fully gutted. Oh my God. That's fire. Carbon fiber hardtop S2K. That's fire. Slotted disc. Y'all look at the EG hatch. Wow. Oh my God. In a rabbit. Look at the front splitter, boys. You can't be drunk working on your car. You're gonna be tripping over it. Oh, damn.
Put that on there.
Dude, that's so sick.
That's only streetcar fiction.
Actual downforce.
You figure this thing probably 300-400 pounds off the ground.
Oh my God, dude. The radiator mount. Oil cooler on there. Fully caged. Look at the wing. Look at the wing on that man. was a success, boys. What you guys think, man?
It was good.
Was it fire?
Oh yeah. Fun stuff. Oh yeah.
Yeah, David Bake boys. Bunch of bake gods out there in the Subarus, putting it down, holding it down for us. Notice there was no Evos out. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding, man. Oh shit. Hey guys, Grid Life was a success. Full of track-oriented cars, fire cars. Oh my god. Try and head away from the track-oriented cars. We're gonna go to the car show section. Plenty of imports over here. S2Ks, R34. Ooh, I'm gonna show you guys that. Let's go. This your car, man?
Yeah.
This thing's beautiful.
Thanks,
man. I love it. What's the story behind it, man? How'd you get this thing?
Oh, I sell these.
No shit.
Yeah.
Really? You import them and then sell them?
Yeah, bring them in and then Texas title and register them.
No way. How much, man?
You're an importer?
I'm not an importer. It's just private shit, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like I'll just like sell them. Sometimes I'll sell them for like other people too.
Right.
People like will reach out to me to like sell their cars and then
How much?
I'm like an
What's
acting broker at that
Oh,
point.
okay. Yeah. I got you.
market
Yeah.
value on this, man? How much? Say if I hit you up to get one of these, how much would it cost?
It could be as cheap as like 30, you know, for like a 34 GTT. Unless you want like a 34 sedan, that could be like 15, 16. And then if you want like a GTR model, that could be as high as like 80, all the way to like 190 for like an M-Spec NER or something, Millennium J.
This is for YouTube, man.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not even that big, but if they're watching this, man, they hit you up. That's your Instagram right there.
All the cars are on there.
Hell yeah, man. Oh my god, GTR. This thing is fire, man.
Thanks, man.
That's the man right here. 714 at the wheels.
Yeah, fully
built.
RB26, FID 1650s, Walbro 525 pump, and flex fuel setup.
You see
E85.
dollar signs just fall out of his mouth.
Oh yeah, it's expensive. Yeah, it's expensive, bro. Garrett,
How much of a
GT.
problem would it be for you to start it up?
To start it, well, I'm trying to let it cool off so we can check the oil here soon because the oil dipstick's a little hard to get to, so it's you're gonna burn the fuck out of your hand if you do it now, you know. They're waiting to also want to check the coolant level too.
Gotcha.
Yep, she's a bad bitch, man. No, not really. Well, I mean with this one, yeah. I actually named this one Eleanor. Because of the constant. Just like Eleanor.
Alright YouTube, that will sum up today's video. We are back at home. I'm getting ready to upload all of this and get the video all uploaded and edited and all whatnot. All the goodies, mashed it all up for you guys in one awesome vlog. Thank you guys for checking it out. Consider subscribing because tomorrow we're heading back up to Austin and going to WEVLTH. I think that's how you say it. WEVLTH. Wick. Boom. What you doing, Chloe? What you doing? Go. Yeah. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.